Each Rafale fighter costs around $120 million, depending on configuration and weapons package, making it one of the most advanced yet costly jets in the world. Origin. Developed by Dassault Aviation of France, the Rafale is a versatile 4.5 generation multi-role fighter. Role. It is designed for air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence, making it a true, omni-role aircraft. Entered service. The Rafale entered service with the French Navy in 2001, and with the French Air Force in 2006. Nickname. Often called the omni-role fighter, it is known for its ability to adapt to multiple missions in a single flight. Engines and speed. Powered by two Snecma M88 turbofan engines, it reaches speeds of Mach 1.8 with a combat range over 3,700 kilometers. Avionics and sensors. Equipped with the RBE-2 AESA radar, Spectra electronic warfare suite, and advanced data link systems, the Rafale ensures unmatched situational awareness. Weapons. It carries air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and even nuclear weapons, with a 30mm GIAT cannon. Survivability. The Spectra system provides stealth, electronic jamming, and missile warning, ensuring survivability in contested airspace. Combat use. The Rafale has proven itself in Afghanistan, Libya, Iraq, and Syria, showing precision strike capability, resilience, and adaptability, qualities Indonesia seeks as it strengthens its air power in 2026.